Hey guys, Adam here. I'm the owner of Vintique Motors, and today I want to do a walk around and driving demonstration on this 99 Chevy Silverado LS Z71 pickup truck. So like I mentioned, it's a 99. Last year for it, this was a June 98 build. Then they stopped production on the GMT 400, went to GMT 800 in August. So this is one of the last GMT 400s produced. It's in pewter metallic. It has the GM calls it natural, I call it tan, but natural cloth interior on it. Carfax, one owner car, was sold new in East Rochester, New York, at a Chevy dealer there. Gentleman owned it, essentially 99% of its existence. Another dealer from New York acquired it, and then it got traded to a dealer in Pennsylvania. I acquired it from that dealer. So it's a one owner title vehicle. For 99% of its life. This is all original paint. I've metered it. Everything's in fantastic condition. Just a couple very minor cosmetic imperfections, which we'll point out here in a second. The most cosmetic imperfection on the vehicle is on the wheels. These can be refinished. This is the worst of the four. I'm not really sure what caused this, but it looks like right here might have been a previous wheel weight, but all this around the wheel, not sure. It's got brand new Goodyear Wranglers on it. This is, and it's going to be hard to see in the video, but in our photo gallery, you can see it. There's a very minor little dent right here. I believe there was another very tiny dent. Yes, right here. Very, very, very tiny. Can't even almost see it. But we're offering this on Bring a Trailer. I think there's about a couple days left in the auction. We've done everything to this truck service related wise. We went through the air conditioning system, brand new serpentine belt, oil change, filter change, we did an alignment on it. And when we got it, there was a check engine light on, but it turned out to be a vapor canister. Very quick and easy change to do. So it's fully up to date on service, ready to hit the road, which we'll take it out on the road here in a little bit and show you guys how it performs. Let's see the interior. This is beautiful cloth interior. You could get these in leather. This graded leather from GM in this era wasn't the best. It was known for premature wear. You didn't get that with the cloth. Very robust cloth seats. So this is an LS truck, LS trim, but it's got a lot of options on it. Z71 package, 4x4. This has the 5.7 liter V8. There's quite a laundry list of options it has, which the window sticker is in the gallery. Current mileage on it right now is 21,580. We gave a little look at the bed liner here. I'm going to show you guys the tailgate area, all up in here. Just minor surface corrosion, surface rust, whatever you guys want to call it. I call it oxidation, but this is where you get your typical rust on these trucks. Clean, clean, clean. Has the GM Duraliner bed liner. Oh yeah, one more little minor item right there. Chipped rear tail light lens. It was like that when I purchased it. And it's also got these really neat Chevy emblem mud flaps. So check out this side of the interior. Original floor mats. It's got, the interior is impressive. This has the third door as well. The seat folds up. So you get to your tools. If you get a flat tire, or, all the tools are in here. Yeah, just a great truck. The only thing in op is the radio. We've talked about that in the commentary and in the description on Bring a Trailer. It's in lock mode. I've gone through all the research on the internet to try to figure out how to get this thing unlocked. Apparently, the hotline that you call with the radio code no longer exists, so at the moment it's locked. I'd say put an aftermarket unit in it, get your Bluetooth going. You don't have to fuss with the CDs, you don't have to fuss with the cassettes. So that would be my suggestion. The only other aftermarket item is this Lund cap here, a front bug guard, I mean. And let's pop the hood, check out the engine, and we'll go for a ride. Okay, there we go. This is the 5.7 V8. Brand new AC compressor, brand new serpentine belt. We've done a lot of maintenance on this vehicle. Not that it needed it, just, you know, the air conditioning just wasn't blowing as cold as we would like. Solved that problem with the new AC system here. The belt is probably the original belt, so that was starting to show some wear from age. So you're good to go. It's turnkey, doesn't need a thing. Let's go for a ride. Thank you. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the sun. That metallic paint really shines. Go hit a few corners. Before we get going too, I just wanted to make mention there's some wear here on the center of the gauge cluster in the plastic lens. To me, it looks like somebody tried to clean it in the past improperly, and it left this staining or marring. I'm not really sure what to call it, but it is there. It's not too bad, but it's also photographed in the photo gallery. These are really comfortable trucks, you know. These chairs, the armrests, love them. You also got a center console here, flip out, little writing area if you need. There's a couple cup holders here. One more right here, two more actually. Like I mentioned, this one's in lock mode. Tells us right there, that's a GM anti-theft device. Usually that happens when you change the battery. You gotta, like I said, call GM and get a code, but I'm not really sure how to unlock it at this point because they did away with the hotline apparently in 2019. So, but this one originally, yep, equipped with AM/FM stereo with the CD, with the cassette. AC's blowing ice cold. 4x4 works awesome. This has high and low push button. Daytime running lamps, all the lamps work great. Blinkers, lights, no problems. Give it a little fuel here. Now that was about 25 to 50. Plenty of power. Trucks have a really classic, elegant design. I'll even say, you know, with that great boxy design that we all know from the 70s and 80s, and they carried it in with a little bit more aerodynamic architecture to the design. In the 88 is when it came out, but into the 90s, and now they're just super classic looking trucks. The next generation, the GMT 800, were a little more rounded. If If you ask me, the quality suffered a little. I always thought this was one of the best modern GM trucks ever made, this era. And there's still plenty of them on the road. It's a testament to them. And it's a testament to their choice of Bob Seger's Like a Rock song. You know, there's still thousands of these on the roads today with several hundred thousands of miles on them. And this one's only got 21,581. Also has a cigarette outlet and ashtray if you're a smoker. Oh, actually, no ashtray, just the cigarette lighter. Well, this was still the 90s. But this one, highly doubt was ever smoked in. Doesn't have any of that smell. Almost has a new car smell, to be honest with you. But yeah, everything works good. Gave it an alignment, like I said, track's very nice. I'll get us a little speed. We'll dive bomb into this sharp corner. Show you guys the brakes work great. No pulling, no issues. Really, really nice truck. I think we also got the books and manuals in here. Yes, we do. I'll demonstrate the power windows here once we pull back in. There's the auto. It has auto, driver's side. There we go, there's the auto. Nice and fast. Passenger side. Also has power locks. Work no problem. So as I mentioned, we're offering this on Bring a Trailer. Has a reserve on it, set very aggressively. You know, we've got over 200 listings on Bring a Trailer. Roughly an 80% sale rate, so we like to bring them to sell. So bid with confidence in the truck, bid with confidence in us as the sellers. If you have any questions, please reach out via the contact seller button or ask it directly in the commentary. If you need a shipping quote, I can get this shipped anywhere in the country. Just give me your zip code via the contact seller button. I can get you a very quick quote. With that, you know, good luck bidding, everybody, and we'll see you on the other side.